Having already applied my base, done my eyebrows and primed my eyes, I'm going in with the orange tone blush called Hint from the Obsessions Isn't It Peachy blush palette. Now I'm applying that to my crease with a small fluffy brush, using small circular motions to blend out the shadow. I'm then taking this matte neon orange shadow from the Sleek Acid palette, using that to buff out the edges of this orange blush. With the matte hot pink shadow from the Acid palette, I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush and patting it over 2/3 of my lid. I'm then just going between the neon orange and the neon pink and reapplying and blending things out until I'm happy with the way things look. I'm lining my upper lash line with this very pretty teal blue glitter eyeliner from Collection in the shade Le Freak, and I'm dragging it across my upper lash line and flicking it out to a cat eye shape at the end. I'm taking a deep matte purple shadow called Palmer Violet from the Sleek Eye Candy palette and smudging that under my lower lash line. Before then going into the lighter matte purple from the palette called Flump and using that to smoke out my lower lash line. Of course, I curled my eyelashes off camera to avoid accidentally pulling out all of my eyelashes, but now I'm just applying a black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Going back to the Sleek Eye Candy palette, I'm using the shade Cream Soda, which is a shimmering white eyeshadow, and using that to highlight my brow bone and inner corners. With the Obsessions Isn't It Peachy blush palette, I'm dipping into the shade Glimmer and applying it mostly to the apples of my cheeks and to the tip of my nose. This blush has a slight shimmer to it, so it will give your cheeks a little highlight as well as a peachy glow. As I do in nearly every video, I'm going to, unsurprisingly, highlight the rest of my face with Obsessions Mega Lightning Highlighting Powder. With a hot pink lip liner, I'm using this to line and fill in my lips. And finally, I'm applying this Barry M Lip Lacquer Crayon, which I think might be discontinued, so that should give you an idea of how long I've had this, but I'm just applying this to my lips, and this is in the shade Party Pink.